Hi, this is your old buddy Speed the Sauceman here. Today we're going to fire up your brain a little bit and get some ideas going on loaded potato skins. To start off with, I like to get a nice good sized baking potato. I wouldn't go any smaller than this. You can go larger if you'd like, but select some nice potatoes. And then what I like to do is throw them in a 350-degree oven for about 50 to 70 minutes, depending on the size of the potato. But you want to get them cooked through real nice, and an easy way to tell it is, you can stick the fork in. If the fork goes in easy, they're done. Otherwise, if you got a thermometer, you can check the temperature. You need about 200, 210 degrees, and then the potato is cooked through. Once they're cooked through, pull them out, let them cool down just a little bit so you don't burn your hands real bad, but then slice them in half, scoop them out. I like to leave roughly about a 1/4 inch edge around the top, so you got a little bit of stability there for filling them. And today what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you 3 fillings, but you can do whatever kind of suits your fancy when you go to fill them. But to start off with, the first one is I've got some ground beef that I cooked down, and I'll put some of our Cookies taco sauce that's available in all your stores, and we'll mix that in with the ground beef a little bit. Makes my mouth water just thinking about it. And we'll load up one of the skins with that, and then you can top that off with some scallions, cheddar cheese, whatever you'd like. And then we'll fill one with some pulled pork. Now for the pulled pork, you can do it in a crock pot. You can use boneless butts, bone-in butts. I like to use boneless rib ends. They're kind of part of the sirloin end of the loin. And to me, it's got a little more flavor and a lot of juice, but not really a lot of fat in it. Then with that, I'm gonna put on Cookies sweet and spicy. I like a little more kick to it, but you can use any one of Cookies sauces, whatever suits your flavor there, just to make sure that it says Cookies on the label before you set it on your table. So we've got one there that we can top off again with some cheddar cheese. And then finally, what we'll do here, this is a hot chicken dip recipe that's got some cream cheese, a little bit of ranch dressing, and chunked up cooked chicken in it. And we'll just add that in there. And if we want to, we can make it look just a little bit fancier here, and we'll just drizzle just a little bit of our wing sauce across the top of it there. Now to finish these off, what we'll do is we'll just throw them in a low temp oven. I say low temp, about 300, 325, someplace in there, just to warm everything through, melt the cheeses down, and 15, 20 minutes, kind of keep an eye on them, but everything is pre-cooked in them, so we don't have to worry about anything there, but just to kind of warm them through good. So keep an eye on them, and you're ready to sit down for a mighty tasty treat. And remember, smart cookies use Cookies, the award-winning sauce America loves to eat.
Cookies is the one.